feel like you've expended a lot of energy, but that energy hasn't really gone anywhere. It's one of those days for me. I'm about to go meet a friend for some coffee, and since I'm bringing my iPad, I'm gonna need to go with a slightly bigger bag today. I'm walking to meet my friend at Felix Roasting Co. If it's like within a 20-minute walk, I prefer to just walk over taking the subway. I'm really bad with directions to begin with, and if you go the wrong way on a subway, you can go the wrong way a lot further than if you're walking. This is their menu. We're at Blank Slate Tea right now, and she got a rose latte, and I'm gonna get a lavender mint matcha latte. And look how cute this cafe is. Getting really cold again. On second thought, I probably did not wear enough. I'm heading back to my area now, but I'm gonna do some random shopping on the way. Hi. Good.
Lactic is really nice, so that maybe floating flower. So floating flower has a chrysanthemum, and it's wrapped, or it's engulfed pretty much in cocoa butter.
Oh my god, my nostrils are so overwhelmed right now. Hey guys, so I'm about to go to class right now. And I got hungry. We're at Chores now. Are you getting something?
This croquet thing. You get a fruit pastry, but they're $4.25.
I'm gonna get a milk tea. I'm looking over a Trader Joe's receipt to calculate my groceries. Also filmed a breakdown of what I normally buy at Trader Joe's. It's gonna be my first day of actually cooking again and getting back into making healthy food. That's gonna be really good. My laundry, that's my laundry bin. Hello, laundry bin. Is very full right now. It's like $7 to do a batch of laundry. It's so expensive at my apartment. My boyfriend literally has his own washer and dryer in a closet in his apartment. I could not be more jealous. Okay, later guys. Sister is texting me that coronavirus has hit Manhattan. I think it hit Manhattan yesterday actually. I don't really know how worried we should be for it. One thought that is crossing my mind is that I'm probably just gonna hole up in my room for the rest of the week until I go to my boyfriend's for the weekend. It's our 1-year anniversary and we have a little resort getaway planned. I'm very excited for that. But in the meantime, I must not catch coronavirus. around 6 p.m. I finished my laundry laundry. I've just had one of those sort of bleh days. Like, I don't know, those days where you kind of just sit with your thoughts and feel like you've expended a lot of energy, but that energy hasn't really gone anywhere. So it's one of those days for me. I don't know if you relate to that feeling, but I decided to go out for a bit. I'm gonna head to Koreatown, sit at a cafe for a bit, do some work. I'm just finishing up my makeup here. If you watched my what's in my college bag video, this is the bag that I used my senior year of college mainly. I brought it with me to New York and it's been great. It's kind of wrinkled right now because it's been shoved in a drawer in my closet. But we're gonna take this baby out and charger, wallet, phone, pencil case, and we're good to go. I realized that I totally forgot my masks at home. I said I was gonna stay at home so I don't catch the virus, except now I'm out in the public without a mask in the most populated part of New York. So that's very good. Go Allie. I need to start setting reminders for myself to have my masks on before I leave the house. It's really not cold at all tonight out in New York. That means summer is coming. That's a great thing. We want that. We want summer to be here. I swear that is when it is the prettiest. Ended up coming to Cafe Benny in Koreatown. There have been 11 cases of corona in New York. It's only been like 24 hours, so the mask is going on. If no one is wearing these masks when I step out, I'm gonna feel like such an idiot. And nobody is wearing a mask. Going fabric shopping for a sparkly purple piece of fabric. I wanna make this. Just kidding, someone else in New York is wearing one.
I'm like the only normal one.
Yeah, that's perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's Friday today. I'm eating a quick lunch. It's tomato and cabbage. I'm going to my boyfriend's for the weekend. We're actually gonna go to Poconos, which is about an hour away from New York. I'm gonna be gone for the weekend, so I'm really proud of myself for using up all the groceries. Satisfied feeling. And here I just have green tea. My tulips are blooming. It's very exciting. The colors are so pretty. There's like purple and yellow and magenta and white in here. This one almost looks like an orchid color.
Later it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that